Signature risk renewals now powered by the speed, accuracy and security of Docusign. As of today, stay informed instantly with Signature Risk's award-winning SMS notifications. It's easy, just visit signaturerisk.com/subscribe to enroll. Once subscribed, you will receive an SMS notification when your renewal package is delivered to your inbox. Also note that renewal packages are sent 45 days prior to the upcoming renewal date. Let's now have a look at your renewals with Docusign. To get started, you'll receive an email with a link to the document that needs your signature. Click on Review Document to open it. Begin by reviewing the consent, then check the box to continue. Docusign will then automatically guide you to your renewal document to fill out. Click on the highlighted areas to review increases or reduce limits in real time. Scroll down to review and complete all required sections. Once you've completed the document, just sign, add your title and submit. Your document will automatically be transmitted to all parties. Brokers will even receive an SMS text message alerting them that their renewal package has been delivered to their inbox. Please note that once the renewal has been bound, any outstanding documents will no longer be accessible through the Docusign link. After your policy has been bound, all future changes will be handled directly with your signature underwriter. As phishing and online fraud continue to rise, Signature Risk remains committed to providing a secure and trusted experience. We appreciate the trust you place in Signature Risk.